Good evening, everyone. I am Amarjeet, Joint Registrar Cooperative Societies, Punjab. Today, I am sharing with all of you information regarding the valuable services being provided by Cooperative Department and Cooperative Societies in Punjab. First of all, I will share with you the information regarding COVID effective cases at world level, in India and at Punjab level. The world situation is confirmed cases 84,66,1989, recovered cases 44,39,056, and dead people 4,51,949. In India, the confirmed cases are 3,68,648, recovered cases 1,94,843, and dead cases, these are 2,75. In Punjab, total number of positive cases are 3,615, which is 118 plus from yesterday. Recovered cases are 2,570. Total lives lost so far due to this problem are 83. Active cases are in Punjab 962. Now, I am sharing with you the role being played by Cooperative Department and Cooperative Societies in this situation. Amid the crisis of COVID-19 and the restrictions of curfew lockdown, the Cooperation Department and its Apex institutions has been providing uninterrupted supply of essential services to the public. The COVID-19 protocol and advisory issued by the Health Department is also being taken care of by the employees of cooperative societies while carrying out this work. First of all, initiative taken by Primary Agriculture Cooperative Service Societies. Through the network of 3,000 Primary Agriculture Cooperative Societies, essential commodities worth rupees 14 crore were sold during the lockdown period, and this was done through Markfed and primary cooperative societies, and the process followed was home delivery of these products. Masks worth rupees 70 lakhs were distributed among general public. Milk collected from milk producers at village level during the lockdown period and supplied door-to-door milk and milk product to general public and quarantine centers. During the lockdown period, cash worth rupees 84.27 lakh was facilitated to people through 120 micro ATMs by agriculture societies. Similarly, the fertilizer, urea and DAP was supplied by Markfed and IFCO through the network of PACS, that is Primary Agriculture Cooperative Societies. Initiative taken by Markfed during this period. Markfed, an Apex corporate organization, has provided essential commodities during lockdown. The commodities being supplied here till date are pulses 360 metric ton of value of rupees 2.42 crore, atta 480 metric ton rupees 1.24 crore, sugar 311 metric ton of the value of rupees 1.18 crore, vanaspati and refined oils 3510 kiloliter value of 31.60 crore. Markfed has procured 30 lakh metric ton of wheat during Rabi 2020-21 on behalf of Government of India. During procurement season, all Markfed officials, employees have followed COVID-related protocol. Markfed has supplied approximately 13,533 metric ton cattle feed, the value of which is 31.54 crore, to farmers of cooperative societies. During Kharif season, Markfed has distributed about 2,93,515 metric ton of urea and 22,383 metric ton of DAP to farmers. Agrochemical worth rupees 44 crore were supplied to farmers through cooperative societies. During early period of lockdown, rupees 1 crore were contributed by Markfed to CM Relief Fund to motivate others. All employees of Markfed donated 1 day salary to CM Relief Fund. Initiative taken by Milkfed. Milkfed has done a great job by facilitating home delivery of Virka milk product. It not only procured milk from milk producers at village level, but also ensured that all people get home delivery of these quality milk products. In anticipation of COVID-19 pandemic, Milkfed jacked up production of long shelf life milk and milk products like UHT milk, skimmed milk powder, white butter, etc., and milk plants of Milkfed were run at full capacity. Milkfed ensured supply of cattle feed also. Milkfed shared guideline issued by Government of India, Government of Punjab, NDDB, WHO with all milk unions and Milkfed units for strict compliance and to ensure maintaining hygiene, sanitation, social distancing, wearing of masks and proper hand washing. Initiative taken by Sugarfed Punjab. Since the imposition of lockdown, curfew, restriction in the state of Punjab, Sugarfed Punjab has undertaken the following initiative. In order to ensure supply of sugar at nominal rate, all the 9 cooperative sugar mills were ordered to open the sugar sale depot by following social distancing guidelines. Sugar sale price was kept at Rs 35 per kg, including taxes at the sugar sale depot at the mills. All the 9 cooperative sugar mills have supplied incentive sugar to sugarcane growers on 31st of March at the rate Rs 2,500 per quintal. In order to supply pure certified seeds of sugarcane varieties having high yield and sugar recovery to the farmers, around 20 lakh seed saplings were developed and distributed to the farmers for direct plantation under seed development program in COVID-19 period. During this crisis, cooperative sugar mills have supplied 21 lakh packets of sugar, out of which 16 lakh of 2 kg weight and 5 lakh of 1 kg weight to Food and Civil Supply Department, Government of Punjab. Besides this, 48,800 packets of 1 kg Fateh brand sugar and 6,000 packets of 5 kg and 12,000 bags of 50 kg sugar have been supplied to Markfed and Milkfed so that no scarcity of sugar is felt in big cities and towns. A sum of rupees 29,05,229 have been donated in CM COVID Relief Fund by Sugarfed by medium of deduction of salary of employees of Sugarfed. Initiative taken by Punjab State Cooperative Bank, Chandigarh. In order to mitigate impact of COVID-19 on common man, farmers, migrants, trade, business and industry, Punjab State Cooperative Bank, Chandigarh is providing following facilities and services to the general public. All 820 branches of cooperative banks in the state of Punjab and Chandigarh and 149 ATMs are operational as per orders of local administration. 150 micro ATMs have been provided to PACs through which cash withdrawal services were provided to the customers. All arrangements have been made for smooth running of clearing work including National Automated Clearing House. Direct benefit transfer for social schemes, remittance are being uploaded regularly. Keeping in view the restrictions due to COVID-19, the recovery period for current Rabi crop is also extended from 30th of June 2020 to 15th of July 2020. Similarly, various types of cash credit limits sanctioned to PACs, that is Primary Agriculture Cooperative Societies, have been extended for the year 2020-2021. The protocol regarding preventive measures to avoid spread of COVID-19 as issued by Government of India is being followed by the branches of cooperative banks by providing various kinds of customer services during the lockdown period. Further, this bank on behalf of all the district central cooperative banks have availed financial assistance of special liquidity facility amounting to 1000 crore. The major lending portfolio of cooperative banks in the state of Punjab is advanced to crop loans. Punjab State Cooperative Bank in the state of Punjab has facilitated advancement of crop loans. Hence, bank is providing advancement to farmers uninterruptedly. Initiative taken by Punjab State Cooperative Agriculture Development Bank. The penal interest with effect from 1/3/2020, 1st of March 2020 has been waived off in case of all those borrowers who pay their entire defaulter amount and regularize or close their loan account during this recovery season, that is 31st of July 2020. The recovery period for the current recovery season, Rabi 2020, has been extended from 30th of June 2020 to 31st of July 2020. Total 804 number of regular employees and 72 number of outsourced employees have been provided an insurance cover of Rs 25 lakh for death due to COVID-19 for 1 year. That's all from Cooperative Department. Thank you.